video. I'm so excited to get my hair locked. So I'm gonna get my hair locked today. I'm gonna get my hair locked with Mommy's Microlocs. And I'm so excited. You already know I said that. I'm now 6. October 15 is my birthday, and you can be my best fan, because Nubia's annual was when I was 5, now I'm 6. I am getting my hair locked, so yeah.
All right, let's start Miss Nubia's Microlocs. All right, so as we lay this foundation, I'm detangling out her hair. I want to share some really important information, okay? When you are laying the foundation, please avoid just doing 2-strand twists to create microlocs. If you want the locks to last a lifetime, like this client pictured here, she's had her locks started when she was very young, and she's worn them through her 20s and into her 30s in perfect health and condition. But not only is starting locks with 2-strand twists not recommended and extremely problematic for adults, just imagine how that would be for a small child who doesn't necessarily make their hair their priority. So you don't want to spend multiple days and hours putting in these locks just to have them take them down and correct them. So most parents choose to lock their hair for the freedom, the beauty, the versatility. But when you use a 2-strand twist, you can expect that the locks are going to be a lot bigger than micro size. And that isn't necessarily a problem if size is not your biggest priority, but unraveling and bunching might be an issue. So it's important to start with the best foundation.
Okay, my hair is in locks just right. It's finished. Finally, it's finished.
Okay, so we've done our wash, Miss Nubia, and she's just shaking it out now. Okay. So I just finished washing your hair. We just finished doing your install. How does it feel?
It feels like it feels soft.
It feels soft. Turn around.
Yeah.
Back.
And it feels a little stringy.
Because now it's starting to curl in. Let's look at it. This is her first time seeing it in the mirror. Pretty.
But my friends at school will still know it from me.
Yes, and they're a little smaller around the edges color. Because your hair is just a little here, but doesn't pull, doesn't hurt. We just washed it so we can set the curl, which is why it's snagging a little bit, and there's a little bit of excess hair because we just did it. And the ends are there trying to lock already. Stay back a little, so you can come up to the camera if you want to turn around. Turn around, let's see the back. So see it's starting to fuzz and curl in. Our hair texture is perfect for locks. Perfect. See, there's a little bit of stray hairs because we just finished, literally just finished and just washed wet it to set the curl. Turn around, yeah. And I just want to show people the parts, the size, the evenness, and how we went down to the end. Her hair is like my texture, so it's very, very coily. So we fuck up, but we try to make it as consistent as possible. She is a little girl that's probably going to wear her hair in pigtails and a lot of different ponytails. So I wanted to make sure she's able to do all these cute little styles, half up, half down, cornrows. She can do it all.
Wait, if it was Halloween, this would be and if I was Twilight, I just need more hair right here. Mm-hmm. and then I just need to take a little bit here right here, and then I look like Twilight.
Mm-hmm. You can put it all in a ponytail, actually.
But you can't make a ponytail, snip it off, put it on your butt.
No, we can't. If you're interested in learning more information about the ideal methods and standards to start Microlocs, join us at the Microloc Mastery Training and Certification Program. When it comes to care and maintenance, you want to make sure the hair is retightened on a regular basis, that it is clean, and that you moisturize it appropriately. One of her favorite styles is the spiral curls. She loves it. She loves the bounce. So she just really likes to wear her hair out. And this kind of gives her that freedom, that movement that you see here. It's pretty much like a press and curl for us. She just kind of likes to act wild and crazy. Somebody's got some hang time. Somebody's got some hang time. Baby girl's hair is growing.
I'm not a baby, I'm 6.
You're 6. So this is a braid out, which is a nice, quick, and easy way to add texture to a style. I just topped it off with a little top knot bun.
Hi.
Wait.
I'm getting ready for school. Oh, hello.
8 months in, 6 years old. Whoops. And her hair is doing really well. The sides are growing in. Just pretty good. This used to be so small, and now it's got a little more length to it. We've retightened the front part, so we're able to do.
Beep, beep, beep.
Let's put some of my oil. We retightened the front. We're going to.
That feels good. That feels so good.
We're gonna oil it with.
Oh, that
Scalp
smells so
stimulating
good.
hair growth formula. You like it?
I love the smell of it.
This is our oil that we make.
It smells so good, guys.
It's safe for children.
Children friendly.
Oops, children friendly. Okay, so what hairstyle is that you're gonna do first, really quickly?
I don't know if I'm gonna do it well, but it's like, cause like it's like 2 ponytails like this. Oh yeah, like it's hard to like 2 ponytails like this.
Mm-hmm.
Like I don't know if I could do it because my mom always does it, and it looks very pretty. I don't know if I did it good. I don't know if I'm gonna do it good.
That's okay. You can just try.
This one's okay.
Okay.
No, I just need the other one, but I'm gonna have to make it even. I don't know if I can do it. I don't know if I did it right, but
You kind of did it okay. You
Right.
kind of did it okay.
yeah. I mean, no, actually, this style actually looks cute too.
Yeah.
I could do this too. I like this one.
I think that's cute.
Yeah, I could wear this more.
You like that one?
Yeah, that's cute. I just made myself a new hairstyle. That's so cute.
Okay.
Yeah, I like that one.
I like it too.
Like, can I show them like
Sure, turn your head around.
another hairstyle?
Okay, so she says she wants to show you guys another hairstyle that she can do.
That sounds cute.
And this is
I
the
like
last one. Okay. What's this? This is the other one that you do.
I should wear that at school. So it's like I forgot. Oh yeah, it's just like
She gave you a thumbs up. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're doing great. You're doing great. It's not easy to do your own hair, right? But it's kind of easy now.
Wait, I just think I could do another.
I see a cute hairstyle. I think I know where you're going with this.
Like these like split.
Yes, that's cute.
like split like that.
Uh-huh.
I don't know if I could do it. It's like the other one, but it's like different.
Uh-huh. That's cute.
Hope I can make these even.
So you like to keep the bang? Is that what it is?
Yeah, the bang is like one of the best parts.
It's one of the best parts. Why?
Because bangs are cute.
Okay.
Ah.
Do you want me to help you with that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Turn around. Like that?
Yeah. I think this is cute.
I think that's cute too. Show the back. Show everybody the back. Show them the IG. See her back. It's cute. Yeah. She likes to style her own hair.
Some people say so I heard, yeah, I've actually heard this, like, why don't you have your hair straight? I've actually heard somebody say that to me before.
Mm-hmm. What did you say?
I said, but like I like it like this because like you could do like other styles like when you have straight hair too, but like you could also do the same styles like that, and they look pretty.
You don't have any chemicals in your hair. You don't have to
Comb.
comb it.
I despised combs.
You really didn't like combs.
They're like my worst enemy.
You're like, no, not comb. Bye everyone.
Yep.